polynomials, multiplication of the polynomials by utilizing or using the special products of group that is 5. So in this group, so we will be utilizing the special products such as x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, and the second one as ax plus b into cx plus d, so which is equals to acx square plus x into ad plus bc plus bd, and the third one as x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, 3 polynomials multiplication, which is equals to x cube plus x square into a plus b plus c plus x into ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. So here we are going to prove all these special products of group number 5, in which the special products are of number 1. The first special product under this group 1 is of x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x of, that is x into a plus b plus ab, and the second special product is of ax plus b into cx plus d is equals to acx square plus x into ad plus bc plus last terms, that is b and d. Third one is of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, which is equals to x cube plus x square into a plus b plus c plus x into ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. So here we are going to prove all this by means of the algebraical method. Say now first one. The first one is of x plus a, that is the first one, x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So we are going to prove it by means of algebraical method. Then later we will perform one example under this. So here, to prove this condition or the special product, which is under group number 5, the first one, so I am going to take LHS. So here LHS quantity is of, so here x plus a into x plus b. So we have to multiply these two polynomials horizontally by algebraical method. So here that implies second expression totally, that is x plus b, I am going to multiply with the first term of the first expression, that is x first of all, then later entirely, that is the second expression, that is second polynomial, I am going to multiply secondly, that is I mean second term with second term of this first expression, that is a. So here that implies x into first term of the first expression or first polynomial, x into entire bracket, that is the second bracket, x plus b, plus second term of the first expression or first polynomial, that is a, multiplied with entire second polynomial, that is x plus b. Then that implies, so in order to multiply, first of all we have to multiply x with x, then x with b, then a with x and a with b. Then that implies x into x is of x square plus x into b is of xb plus a into x is of ax plus of plus is of plus, then a into b is of ab. So here x square, there is none other x square term, then now here the like terms are of, one is xb, the other is of ax. So here x is common in both, I can take x is common out of these two terms, that is xb and as well as ax. When x is taken out as common, so here b is left over in the first one and a is left over in the second one. So here we will get x square plus x of, that is b plus a left over within the brackets plus ab. Then our next logical step will be of, so here that implies x square plus, when x is taken out as common, so we will get only b plus a within the brackets plus ab. Or in other words, so in this manner we got, so here, so that implies we can write it as x square plus x into, instead of b plus a, as per the commutative property, b plus a can also be written as a plus b, also holds good under commutative. So plus ab. So here in this manner, so by taking LHS, that is x plus a into x plus b as the LHS, we reached the RHS, that is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, which is the right hand side. So here this is our right hand side. So here that equals to RHS. So in this manner, so here we got, say, LHS and as well as RHS as equal. So here hence we can write, hence x plus a into x plus b can be written as x square plus x of, that is x into a plus b plus ab. So in this manner we have proved the first special product under the group number 5. So under this let us perform one example, that is example number 1. Under this example number 1, find the product of x plus 7 and x minus 3. So here the solution starts. Now as per problem, so here the two algebraic expressions, or there are two polynomials which to be multiplied in order to find out the product of these two polynomials, that is, one is of x plus 7, the other is of x minus 3. They are in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So here, but we know that the special product is of, so here x square or x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Based upon this special product, so I am going to find out the product of the given, that is x plus 7 into x minus 3. So here I have to find out the product of x plus 7 into x minus 3. So here to find out the product of these two, so here I have to compare. So x must be replaced by x itself, and whereas here also x must be replaced by x itself, and a by means of 7 and b by means of minus 3. B is of positive, that is plus b equals to minus 3. So b equals to minus 3. So in this manner I have to substitute. So here x as x itself and small a as plus 7 and small b, that is plus b, is small b is equals to plus b is of b is must be substituted as minus 3. So by replacing these values in the right hand side of the special product, we will get the required product, that is x square. So x value is of x itself, we can write it as x whole square, plus x is x itself, then bracket begin a is of 7 plus sign, I am going to write as it is, b is of minus 3. So let us write within the bracket because it is of negative, bracket close, plus a is of 7 and b is of minus 3. A is of 7 into b is of minus 3. Then the next logical step will be of, that equals to x square. Then now, so here plus into minus is of minus, so here plus x into 7 plus of minus is of minus, plus into minus is of minus, then the bracket, so here 3 written as it is, bracket close, plus of minus, that is plus into minus, into in between, plus into minus is of minus, 7 3s is of 21. But here the next logical step will be of x square as it is plus x as it is into 7 minus 3. So here 7 is of positive and 3 is of negative. Plus into minus is of minus. We have to subtract greater minus this. 7 minus 3 is of 4. That is, we will get as a positive 4 because 7 is greater. 4. 7 minus 3 is of 4. 4 multiplied with x is 4x. Middle term will be of 4x. So next logical step will be of x square plus 4x minus 21. So here in this manner, so here that implies or that equals to x square plus 7 minus 3 4 into x 4x plus 4x minus 21 plus 4x minus 21. So in this manner we got. So here hence the product of x plus 7 into x minus 3 is equals to x square plus 4x minus 21. So this is the result or the product which we got by multiplying the two polynomials, that is, one is x plus 7, the other is of x minus 7. Then let us go for the second one. The second special product that is to be proved is of second one is of ax plus b into cx plus d equals to ac x square plus x into ad plus bc plus bd. So second one is of ax plus b into cx plus d is equals to acx square plus x into ad plus bc plus bd. To prove this condition, the proof starts now in this manner. The proof is of, so first of all let us take the LHS quantity. So LHS is of ax plus b into cx plus d. So ax plus b into cx plus d is the LHS quantity, then that equals to, so in the similar manner to multiply these two polynomials, second polynomial entirely I want to multiply with ax first of all, then second polynomial entirely I have to multiply then later with b, that is ax first term with entire bracket, second bracket, that is cx plus d, then now with second term of the first expression or the first polynomial plus b, so plus b multiplying with entire second polynomial, that is cx plus d. So that implies, so multiply ax with cx first of all, ax with d, then now here b with cx, then b with d. So now, so we will be in the next, logical step as, so a into c as ac, x into x is nothing but x square, plus a into d as ad into x, that is ax into d is adx, plus bc into x as bcx, plus b into d as bd. That implies, so x square is of only one term, so let us write ac x square as it is. Then now x terms are of 2, so here x and as well as x is here, we can take x as common. These two are of like terms. I want to take plus x as common. When x is taken out as common, then now only ad is left over within the bracket of the first term. When x is taken out as common in the second term, so when x is taken out, so only bc is left over within the bracket and bd must be copied as it is. So here we took LHS, that is ax plus b into cx plus d, and we reached acx square plus x into ad plus bc plus bd, which is the right hand side. So which is equals to, that implies, so the RHS. So this itself is the RHS. So here we took LHS and we reached RHS, therefore here LHS is equals to RHS. So hence it is proved. So here we can write it as, so here hence ax plus b into cx plus d is equals to the right side, that is acx square plus x into ad plus bc plus bd. So in this manner we have proved the second one. Then based upon this special product which is proved, so I want to perform one example, that is example number 2.